Everyone has 24 hours, but the truth is, not everyone uses it the same way, and that one small difference decides who struggles and who succeeds, who stays stuck and who becomes a winner, who wakes up tired and confused, and who wakes up with purpose and fire. Think about this for a second. Rich or poor, young or old, famous or unknown, every person on this planet gets the same exact 24 hours in a day. No one gets more, no one gets less. Yet some people change the world while others can't change their own life. Why? What are winners doing that others aren't? What makes one person build something amazing while another keeps starting and stopping again and again? Is it luck? Is it talent? No. It's how they use their time. It's how they treat every hour. That's the mindset shift we're going to talk about today, and once you understand it, your life will never be the same. Because time is the most powerful thing you own, and most people throw it away like it's nothing. Imagine waking up each day with a gift, a fresh 24-hour bank account full of time, and instead of spending it with care, you waste it on things that give you nothing back. You scroll, you wait, you doubt, you do things that don't build you, you say later too many times, and then suddenly the day is gone, the week is gone, the year is gone, and you wonder why nothing changed. But here's the truth. Nothing changes until you do. Nothing grows until you decide to grow. Nothing happens until you choose to use your 24 hours like they matter. And they do. They matter more than money, more than opportunity, more than approval from anyone else. Because how you spend your time is how you spend your life. Most people say they don't have time. But that's not true. The truth is, they don't make time. They don't protect their time. They don't respect their time. And that's the difference between a winner and a worrier. A winner knows that every hour is a chance. A winner wakes up and asks, what can I build today? What can I learn today? Who can I become today? And that simple change in mindset, that simple way of thinking leads to powerful results. Now here's the part that builds suspense. Most winners don't even work harder than you. They just work smarter. They focus. They plan. They cut the noise. They don't say yes to everything. They don't wait for the mood to hit. They act even when it's boring. They repeat the same habits every day until those habits become the reason they succeed. They use their mornings to create momentum. They use their nights to reflect. They don't chase random goals. They lock in on one mission and give it their best shot. And because of that, their 24 hours grow into something bigger. Let me ask you, what are you doing with your 24 hours? Are you using them or losing them? Are you building or just surviving? Are you letting time control you or are you taking control of time? Because 1 hour used right is more powerful than 10 hours wasted. One focused hour a day can change your health, your mind, your money, your life. One focused hour can turn a dream into a goal and a goal into reality. That's how winners live. They don't have more time. They just have more purpose. And they protect that purpose like it's gold. If your dream matters, then your time should matter too. You can't say you want a better life and then waste the hours that could create it. You can't say you want success and then give your time to distractions, doubts, and drama. You have to decide that every hour counts, every minute matters, and even the small things you do add up. Winners understand that tiny progress made every day beats huge progress made once in a while. They know that waking up 1 hour earlier can change their whole future. They know that using their time on learning, building, moving, growing, and healing creates a better tomorrow. They don't try to be perfect. They just try to be consistent. That's the trick. That's the mindset. That's the habit. Use your time for things that bring value. Turn your phone off for a while. Say no to things that don't help you grow. Stop waiting for motivation and just move. Do the work even when it's boring. That's how you build a life you're proud of. And if it feels hard at first, that's normal. You're breaking old habits. You're learning a new rhythm. But keep going. Because once it clicks, it will feel powerful. You will see changes. You will feel stronger. You will move differently. You will walk into your day with purpose. You will stop wasting time on things that don't matter, and you'll start creating a future that does. You'll stop chasing motivation and start chasing discipline. You'll stop saying I'll try and start saying I'll do. That shift will change everything, and you'll look back one day and say that was the moment my life started to grow. Every winner started where you are. They felt tired, they felt lost, they felt like there wasn't enough time, but they decided to take control of what they had. They decided to show up even when it was hard. And that decision, that mindset, made them unstoppable. So, if you want to be a winner, don't look at what others have. Look at what you do with what you already have. You have 24 hours. That's enough to start, enough to learn, enough to plan, enough to improve, enough to grow. Stop waiting for more time. Use the time you have. Protect it. Fight for it. Honor it. Because time is not coming back. What you do today becomes your tomorrow. What you give your time to will shape who you become. So give your time to things that make you better. Give your time to growth. Give your time to the person you want to become. The strong life lesson is simple. Everyone gets the same time, but not everyone uses it the same way. And how you use your time decides everything. The moral is this: your future is hidden in your daily habits, and your daily habits are hidden in how you use your hours. If you want to win, don't wait for time, make time. Use time, master time. Because winners don't get more hours, they just make better use of them. If this message gave you clarity, if it reminded you of your power, if it made you want to do more with your day, then don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of these powerful truths, and drop a comment below telling us how you plan to use your 24 hours today. This is not just a channel, this is your daily reminder that greatness starts with one choice, 1 hour, 1 day. This is how to grow, and together we will turn time into transformation.